Hi there, this is James from PracticeDilly. In this video, you will learn how to use PracticeDilly's mobile app. If you use Dentrix, Eaglesoft, or Opendental, you can now access your schedule, look up patient information, and message your patients. Here's how you can do it. If you have multiple offices, you can access all of them on the app. To add an office, click on the plus icon and add another office. Enter the office code here. Once added, you will see all your offices on the menu. You can upload your picture by clicking on the camera icon here. To view your schedule, click on Appointments. Here, you can see the schedule for today. If you want to view the schedule for a specific date, click here and pick the date. If you want to view appointments of a specific provider or hygienist, you can filter here. To view more details on the appointment, click here. You can even text message patients from here. To view patient information, click on Patient Lookup. Here, you can search your patients by their last name and view details. To text a patient, go to the Message Center. Search patients by their last name and send a message. When the patient responds back, you can see the responses here. To request an online review from your patient, click on Appointments. Here you will see the schedule. To request an online review from a patient, tap on the star icon corresponding to the patient. That will send out a text message and an email requesting a review on Google, Yelp, and Facebook. Thanks for watching. To install the app on your device, visit the App Store or Google Play and search for PracticeDilly. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.